be installing this Vortex generator and this rear window spoiler. I'm not too sure how I feel about these two things here. They kind of look cool, but they kind of look stupid at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and install them and come up with my final decision a couple weeks later. It's super easy to take off and put back on and all that, so let's get into it. So the first thing you got to do when you get these is to go ahead and put the 3M double-sided sticky tape all around the perimeter. And on the Vortex generator here, I put it around where the shark fin goes, and I put a couple little strips throughout just because I had a bunch of extra sticky tape. More tape, more stick, more better. You're going to want to leave a little bit of a gap here at the bottom or on the rear edge of both of these, just in case water gets stuck in here, the water has a way out. So once you have the Vortex generator and the spoiler all taped up, or either or, whichever you're doing, you're going to need to prep the surface that they're going to be stuck to. So I went ahead and I got this spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol, and I got this microfiber cloth right here, and you're just going to clean just everything that's going to get tape on it. Needs to be super clean so that the tape sticks well, because the last thing you want is for wind to catch under it and just take it off. That'd be terrible. And then you'd have to deal with phone calls, people dealing with insurance. It's like, not even worth it. So and then once everything's clean, just go ahead and peel and stick. All right, here it is completed. Yeah, like I said, I'm not completely sold on how it looks. I like it for the most part. I'll drive around with it, get it in a different light, and really just evaluate the decision here. But overall, super easy to install. It might be a little pain in the butt to get off just because of how sticky that sticky tape is. But there it is.